In this video, I'll be showing you how to get unlimited money using the free Yimmenu mod menu for GTA 5 Enhanced. This is for Enhanced and not Legacy, so if you do want a Legacy video, let me know in the comments below. As always, there'll be a link to the Discord where you can download it in both the description and the comments.
First thing you want to do is head into Cody's Discord server. A link will be in the description. Then you want to go down to the relevant download link which you want. In this case, I'll grab the Money Loop one. Now you can simply click download, and then you can click download in the bottom right. Once you have it downloaded, you can drag it to your desktop. You may have to disable your antivirus as the file may get deleted. To do this, you can press the Windows button, type in virus, then go down to manage settings and make sure that real-time protection is turned off. Now you can open up the folder, then drag version.dll into your GTA 5 directory, then drag xenos64.exe and Yimmenu v2.0 onto your desktop, then drag the DLL into Xenos down here, load up your Rockstar Games launcher, go into settings and make sure battle light is disabled, then boot up GTA 5 into the main menu. Once you've made it into the main menu, for process, simply select it and then press G on your keyboard to go down to all of your processes beginning with G. Then you want to go down to GTA 5 _enhanced.exe, press that, and now you can simply click inject. You'll know if it's worked as a bunch of green text will pop up here. And do note, if you do restart GTA 5, you will have to reselect the process as the number here will be different. Sometimes you may crash upon injection a couple of times. I have crashed once 4 times in a row. Just keep trying and it should look like this once you've done it successfully. Now you can go into free mode.
Once you're in GTA, you can press insert to open up the Yimmenu 2.0 mod menu. Then what you want to do is you want to go to your nightclub and then go to the recovery section in Yimmenu and then go to stat editor. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be editing 2 specific stats, one of which will increase the popularity of your nightclub, and we can set that to whatever value we want. And then the other string we're going to use will help edit the stat, which will allow us to get paid instantly instead of having to wait a couple in-game days. First thing you'll need to do is set your club popularity to 1000. So simply just put in the club_popularity string into the stat editor, and then you can change the value to 1000, which is the maximum popularity you can have. Yimmenu doesn't like the fact that we are doing this and does try to warn us. However, if you do still want to write the value, you can actually go and right click. Just do be warned that this can be a bit risky at times, so make sure you are using the FSL and DLL that comes with the Yimmenu download in the Discord server. Once you write this value, you'll notice your popularity in the bottom right is full. If that is the case, then you can go ahead and enter in the next string, which is club_pay_time_left, and the value, which is preset below, is what the current value of the string is, or the stat rather, and what is currently there is how much time is left until you next get paid from your nightclub. And in order to immediately get paid, we can just set this to -1, and then once we write the value, our safe will now be full. Now what you can do is you can just go over towards your save, open it up, and just stand inside of your save, and then you can keep on setting the pay time left value to -1, and then you can keep on getting paid. The only issue is when you keep on giving yourself, or when you keep on paying yourself rather, your popularity slowly decreases over time, which means you get paid less. So every 2 or 3 times you trigger the pay left value, make sure to set your popularity back to 1000 so you can increase the maximum amount of money which you are being paid. And while this is a bit tedious because you have to do it all manually, this removes any need of any sort of script that you might have to download from a third party, and you can do this directly within Yimmenu 2.0 for GTA 5 Enhanced. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. If you have any other ideas for any other tutorials you might want, like clothing unlocks, vehicle unlocks, any of that stuff, feel free to leave a suggestion in the comments below, and see ya.